If you are an absolute beginner in crochet, this video is right for you. Make a slip knot like this and then start chaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many ever chains you wanted, just add it. Now I have completed 10 chains. Let's go for a treble crochet. Skip the 3 chains and onto the 4th chain we are going to make a double yarn over. You have to yarn over twice like this and then go to the 4th chain space. Gently insert your hook through this space. Right. Gently pull through the yarn right in front. Slightly extend it. Pull through 2 loops together. There you go. Again 2 loops together. Right. Again 2 loops. It's done. Our first treble crochet is done. Again make double yarn over. Go to the next chain space. Gently insert your needle. Pull out the yarn. See, it's done. And again you have to pull 2 together, 2 together, and again 2 together. So this is the process we have to do it for treble crochet. It's simply double yarn over, insert your hook into the chain space, gently pull the yarn through, and then always remember pull 2 loops together, 1, pull 2 together, 2, pull 3 together. That's our treble crochet. You have to continue the process and it's a beautiful stitch and you can make it on your own. So again I am completing the next one. So it's ready. Our treble crochet is ready. Happy crocheting. And on the starting stage I have made 3 chains. These all are our beautiful treble crochets. So happy crocheting.